Hey guys, Rachel CPR here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time since I've uploaded a video. I did do a post on exactly what has been happening in my life, which of course I'm sure many of you have been affected by the many different things happening right now. And my heart just go out to you. It's been a lot. We all know that. And but I'm just going to be very positive in this video, and I wanted to share with you the new things that I have been using in my hair. I do have a wash and go right now. I have been doing a lot of different things in the time that we've been in the house, and I posted a video with my new cut, and a lot of people were asking me what I'm using in my hair now, so I thought I would just make a video and show you exactly what I'm using in my hair. Very basic products. I am using the Shea Moisture Hydrating and Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. This shampoo right here I use every single time I clean my hair. I have not been co-washing, I have been shampooing, and the major change that happened that made me have to do that with each shampoo is the fact that I use the bowl method now, and I've been using it consistently for quite some time now. I have videos on the bowl method and how it hydrates your hair. I do find that if I do not completely shampoo my hair and get all of the moisture of the conditioner, everything out of my hair ends up soggy, and so I am shampooing each and every time I wash my hair, and that is every 3 days. And I don't use a lot of it. This is a very mild shampoo. It's for hydrating and repairing, so it is a hydrating shampoo, but it works wonders, and I really do love it. And then the Hydrate and Repair Conditioner, this is the second container of this that I'm going through. The last one I had was a jumbo. I wasn't able to find that one again. It lasted a very long time, and I love it. But even with this size right here, it's perfect. This is a very good hydrating conditioner. The shampoo is not stripping. It does clean the hair, but it does not strip my hair completely of all of its natural oils that I need for it to hold on to. So outside of that, I am using this this gel, and this is the Garnier Fructis Pure and Clean Styling Gel. This is curly girl friendly. I've shared this with you before. I love this gel. The only issue that I have with it is I had to realize I couldn't use a lot of it, because if I use a lot of this in my hair comes out completely flat. It will flatten out my curls so that it just hangs down. It doesn't give me volume. And so what I have been doing is really concentrating this gel on the ends of my hair and very lightly putting it through the roots so that my roots can withstand the stress, not the stress, but the weight of this product, because it really holds your hair down. Even though it's a very thin gel, it holds your hair down almost like Eco Styler gel will make my hair flat. That's what this will do to my hair. And so I really like it, but it is something that I have to use sparingly in order for me not to have flat hair. And because it is summertime, this is my summertime routine. I'm in and out of the pool all the time, and so I want something that's going to dry very quickly, and this definitely does that. And so this is what I've been using. As far as the color I have in my hair, this is just a hair wax. This is the As I Am Curl Color Bold Gold Temporary Hair Color. And this is what it looks like. And I've used it on myself, I've used it on my daughter, and I still have quite a bit of product in here. On most of this I used on my daughter's hair. She has a whole lot of hair, and I put it throughout her hair. And so most of this went into her hair. This, all I did was rub it through my hands and just squish it into my hair until I got the color that I wanted. And then I used a blow dryer to kind of seal it in. And before I used the blow dryer, I used a heat protectant, which is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. I use this every single time I use the blow dryer, even if I'm just going to use it for a couple of seconds, just for a quick burst of fluff in my hair. I use this every single time because I really just want to maintain the health of my hair. I do find that using a heat protector each and every time, even if it's just for that quick little burst of heat, it has made a big difference in my hair. I do keep my hair cut. I'm not letting it grow out, because this is just the cut that I like. And so I know a lot of people have been saying, well, why do you keep cutting your hair? And is it because it's damaged? My hair is not damaged. My hair isn't damaged at all. I cut my hair because this is just the way I wear my hair. This is the style that I like. If my bangs stretched out come to here, that's where it is for the perfect length from my my face. I have a large face. I need to keep everything a certain way. So that is what I have been using. The Shea Moisture product, the shampoo and conditioner, I have been using this for about 3 months now, just using this product right here. And if I don't use the shampoo and conditioner, I have just been using grapeseed oil in my hair in the shower. I go through spurts where I simply use grapeseed oil and I just rinse it through every single day, and I just pull my hair back into a bun just to give it a rest. On those days, those are usually the days when I'm wearing a ponytail or a wig. I have been really enjoying just experimenting with different wigs and ponytails and all kinds of things. I haven't been doing braids. I've just been having fun wearing different units on my head. And even with my clip-ins, I love my clip-ins, but I have been using them almost like a headband wig. And I will do a video to show you exactly how I do that because it has been so much fun. It's a great protective style. And I do protect my hair underneath it to make sure I don't have any problems with the clips. And ponytails are definitely the obsession that I have. I am like totally obsessed with ponytails because I don't have to really do much. On a bad hair day, all I have to do is pull my hair back and just pop on a ponytail, and you can just look really fancy even though it's like very little effort. So maybe I will share with you some of those. I've purchased quite a few of them off of Amazon, and then there are some that I've been making because sometimes I just want something a little bit different, and those are usually synthetic. So yes. All of that said, I am happy to be back sharing with you, and I look forward to the share that you have to add. I know most of you will add beautiful comments in the box below sharing your experience with different things that I share with you, and I really do appreciate that. I appreciate you hanging in there with me, and I appreciate all of the well wishes that I have been receiving in my inbox, on Instagram, email. Thank you so much for all of the well wishes, and I am sending out well wishes to you as well because I do know that these are difficult times, and keeping our head up is definitely a big part of the battle right now. So thank you again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye guys.